Don't for come by. It's sour. But if when you come home and ask you this alcohol doing me rich. I can't tell you. You know, because I was just thinking that hey nothing.
Good night, Bills. Good night.
Yeah.
How was the day, man?
My day was good. How about you?
Yeah, man, my day was fine, man. What you doing out here? So I never see you sit down out here so late, man.
I understand. You know, eating tangerine here, huh? That's all. I'm waiting for you.
Oh, alright, alright.
You won't put your bag down inside and come back with your man.
Alright, good. Yeah. Yeah, baby, you come for me talk, man. You say you got something important for talk.
Yeah. Come. Yeah, chill. Let me sit down and eat that.
Alright, man. I'll get the chair, man.
Alright, that's so far. Bring the chair a little more closer, like yeah, man.
Alright, man. You know how we get off about, man.
Meantime, you don't get no alcohol in the fridge.
Yeah, man. They tell me don't get no alcohol in the fridge. But me ain't got no alcohol inside the fridge, man.
So you sure about that?
Yeah, sure, but I just went in the...
So what's this? Eh? What this skin is? What's this? What this bounce bear doing in there?
But like you just was said no, but I just...
Me said, no, plus it, if you feel it, it cold, it just come out the fridge.
Yeah, man.
It just come out the fridge.
Man, I tell you, buddy, man. Be partner from up the road, man. Just tell me, hey, keep this Guinness in the fridge free. But I know you don't put no alcohol in the fridge. But the man say, hey, keep this Guinness and this beer in this fridge free. So I just say, you know, this, you know.
So you and your friend give you Banks beer and Guinness to put in the fridge. Well, I tell you, don't put no alcohol in the fridge.
Hey, no, it's nothing like that, buddy. It's nothing like that. I just say, hey, I trying for help out this man because the man just want to keep this thing. Come and collect the thing, you cold, buddy.
Alright. If you say so, I go inside.
You got try with your problems, man.
I got try with me problems? Eh? This what you telling me? What we gonna see? I got try with me problems. You don't know.
Man, like you know I telling you, say I don't tell you got try with your problems. Like, if I put 2 beer inside this plate for help me friend days or nothing, you got try with your problem. Yeah, I telling you, you try your problem. And you got another icy man inside this house, yes, and eyes where the pants. You can't tell me nothing. Eyes where the pants, and this is an icy man. I don't throw a man in the yard long, you see? And what I say go. But icy man at the house, girl. Hey, I don't tell you, you don't say no alcohol, and I say alcohol guy inside the try with your problem. It's time for I brave up now, you see me?
So you get brave? Eh? You throw a man in the yard and so? Eh? You get wings! Okay.
I don't tell you already too, so don't feel. I don't take the man at the yard down.
Alright, man.
And don't raise your voice as the man. This I want you know.
Okay.
She know what is man I name. Man I name. She telling me what?
So where you is the man in the house?
This is it.
This is me house. This is me house. You see what you make? Never tell you don't get no alcohol. Don't get no alcohol in my freaking house. And you still get the alcohol. Go by your friend.
So wait, you telling me go by my friend? So what this alcohol got to do with it?
Go by your friend.
Buddy, at least I sleep here. So for the night you put him, you telling me go by your friend, buddy?
No. Go by your friend and you could put it by your friend there. Go by your friend. Go. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share.
You don't know. Share with a friend and family. Encourage a friend to tell a friend to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You don't know. Look out for no more video.
One love.
Peace
Peace
out.
out.